Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial session 8. So in this tutorial we will be learning about while loop. While in previous session 6 we have learned about the for loop. So let's start with this session. So let me show you the syntax of the while loop. So uh, let me explain you the syntax. What is the syntax of while loop? Okay, so syntax of while loop is, first of all you will write while keyword, then condition, then some condition, then after that column, and after column we write statements. Okay, so this is the syntax of while loop. So let me explain this while loop with an example. So let's see the example of while loop, how we can use while loop in Python. Okay, so example of while loop, right? So in this example, first of all let's print the number uh, from 1 to 5 using the while loop. So first of all we will declare a variable count and assigning a value to 1 to it, so it is the start of the loop. After that we will write while loop, while, and what is our condition here, since we want to print the number from 1 to 5, so condition is count should be less than equal to 5. So this is our condition, count should be less than equal to 5. Okay, so this is the condition to come out from the loop. And after that I am giving the statement print count. Okay, since I want to print number between 1 to 5. Okay, then after that at at the end of the while loop I want to display message, let's say print while loop and okay, and at the beginning of the while loop I am writing the message print while loop start. Okay, so this is one example, simple example of the while loop. Okay, so let's run this program. I have opened the IDLE for you, and in this I am running the program using the run module, or uh, we can use function key F5. Okay, so let me save my program. Just a minute, it's running another program. Insert, just a minute. Okay, let me save this program. Save, uh, sorry, save as file, save as while. Actually another program was open, so that's why it's running that program. So I have saved this program. Now uh, let me run this program. And here one thing we forgot to increment the count variable. Count is equal to count plus 1. Okay, so this is the example of while loop. Let's run this program. Run module 5. Okay, see, it's printing the number 1 to 5. This is the start of the loop, and once the loop finish, it's printing message while loop. And okay, while in earlier case, since we didn't give the condition increment statement, so it's keep on printing the 1. So let's understand this simple program. First of all, count is 1. Okay, and here it will check the value of the count is 1, which is less than 5, so it's printing 1 here. Okay, 1 is printed, and in the next statement it's assigning the new value to the count, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. See, again it come to the while loop start part, and here again it compare 2 with 5. 2 is again less, so it's again printing 2 here. Then again here it get the new value as 3, again printing 2 plus 1, previous value is 2 and new is adding 1 to it, so new value is 3. Again it's comparing 3 with 5 it's less, so it's printing 3. Then similarly in the next iteration, after increment we get new value of the count 4. It go on to the condition part. Since 4 is less than 5, so it's come to the print statement and printing it. And in the next part, after increment we get the new value as 5. So again it to come to the condition, and since count equal to 5, so it again one more time it execute the statement and print the 5. In the next iteration, it got new value is assigned to count, which is 6. 6 is not less than 5, so these two statement print count and count plus 1 won't be executed. Straightforward, it will come out to the this statement while loop and this message get printed. So here we know in advance that how many times loop will be executed, since the terminating condition we have given as count should be less than equal to 5. So as soon as count become more than 5, that is it got 6 value, it come out of the loop. So our loop executed 5 times. So this kind of loop is known as definite loop or finite loop. So this is the example of definite definite loop or finite loop. When we know the number of execution of loop in advance, then that loop is known as definite loop or finite loop. Suppose if I remove this condition, this increment statement, then we then if we execute this program, let me save this and let's see what happened after running. See, it's keep on printing 1. So here we don't know how many times loop will execute, so such type of loop is known as infinite loop. So because here we don't know how many times loop will execute, there is no terminating uh, statement over here. Okay, so this is all about the while loop. You practice this while loop by your own, and we will meet in next class with another Python topic. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.